Skirt gang. What's up, you guys? We are back with another video. Oh, we got a boat. You guys probably know by the title. No, that's Denton. That's a tractor, and there's the boat. Sorry about it not being outside whenever we're showing you, because we lost the footage. Sorry about that. But we're just gonna show you real quick, kind of the boat here a little bit. Hopefully, do you know how long it is?
How long it is?
Yeah.
I think it's only 20 feet.
Anyway, we got lights here, lights there. Then we got rod holders. The rods that we're gonna be catching the fish with. Backup paddles, because we always need backup paddles. Show us what that thing's made of. There we go. It's basically an extension paddle, because Denton's gonna need a paddleless later. And there's the motor. It's an airboat. It's an airboat, if you guys didn't know that. So we got some 50 to 60 pound braid. I totally forget, but we are going to be gang skirt yeet some catfish later. You guys will see that. There's the gas tank. Then there's more gas over there. Extra rod holders.
Steer, engine, where you steer. This will go left, right. Well, the fan has to turn on. Yeah, it has to turn on, and then put the throttle. Yeah, that's the throttle. Say.
So, without further ado,
let's all get on fishing and hook on those catties.
okay, so we're gonna put on a full head, which is this thing. On this with some 50 pound braid. Hook it right in the lip. Like that. These are really good for flathead catfish.
That's what we're hoping to catch tonight.
Okay. First line out. That was bad. Okay, let's try that one more time. It's about like 5-6 foot here. Now for Denton. Yeah.
That's not good.
What, Mom? Yep, now we wait. Oh, there's a bunch of grass in there. Feel something?
Heavy, but that doesn't mean it.
It's not coming.
Is it biting?
Okay, guys, we got a decent one on cut bait. The net's over there. Okay, never mind. Going over here. Okay, we're tangling the line.
You want me to move it, or?
Maybe you want to get that other rod out of there, Denton.
No, he's stuck in it. It's gone. What we got?
You're in here, Denton.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, well, close concept. Okay, I'm over here now.
Alright. Looks like a big channel.
Go ahead, Denton. You can get in there.
Oh.
Nope. What? I'm gonna head first.
There you go. I
Get him.
think.
Scoop him. There. Oh yeah, that's a big channel. You see good?
Yeah.
Got a nice, I don't know, probably, I forgot the scale at home, but probably like a 10-pounder. Right in the corner of the mouth. Doing fires. Right there.
There it is. Videoing.
We got one, y'all.
He's not really fighting.
Not yet, anyway.
Well, he was, but
He might be a pipsqueak. Oh, Denton, you're getting a bite. You just got a bite, unless
No,
it hit the line.
Oh, maybe it is, yeah.
Oh, now it's fighting.
yeah, now he's on their boat.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what a flathead looks like.
There you go.
There you go.
Nice little flathead. Are you keeping him or not? Guess we'll do a catch and cook. Alright guys, we got the fish here. First, we're gonna put in milk. Use. In here. And bread. Side here. Voila. So, what do you think? Do they look good to you? Now we're just gonna set them over here, let it cool off for a couple minutes, and then we'll see you then. All right, here we go. Catfish right out of the Susquehanna River, flathead. Some of the pieces fell off, but it is like, I think catfish is a flaky meat. Right now I'm just tasting breading. Pretty good. Now, the catfish. I had flathead catfish in that river before, so I should know what it tastes like. Mild fishy. I think catfish is one of the best freshwater fish I ever had. Hands down. So I took, as you saw, I don't know if you saw, but two of the pieces look different. So I had the belly part of the catfish and I had the fillet, the original. So this is the belly right here. And I think this also is the belly. And I think I also ate the belly, the first one I just ate. And they say belly is the best part of the catfish. And I say they're right. So yeah, what do you think about this video? Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you want us to do other catch and cooks, also let us know. If you want us to do other catch and cooks, let us know in the comment section down below. And God bless, and we'll see you on the next adventure.